2 triples today, 56 on the season, and here we go. Arkansas Little Rock needs 3 to tie. Sitzman goes inside, and it's fouled.
There you go. And you see Eric Johnson on the sideline. Coach Johnson on the side threw his jacket off in that situation. Kim Sitzman, no opportunity. They took the 3 away from her. Smart play here, just takes the ball to the basket.
And the foul call.
But the ball goes in. There goes Sitzman taking the baseline on the play. Culberson comes in to try to take the charge.
Culberson called with the foul here.
You see Sitzman going into the air and then Culberson coming into the play. We'll let the you fans decide how that one should have gone. But right now for Little Rock, it's a matter of Sitzman hitting his free throw.